Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to find a void check using the TD Bank app. First, take your phone and open the TD app. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Once the app opens, enter your username and password to sign in to your account. After you log in, you will land on the My Accounts home screen. Here, you will see a list of your accounts. Look for the section labeled Banking. Under this section, tap on the checking account for which you want to find the void check or direct deposit details. Once you tap on your account, it will open the account screen. On this screen, look for a tab called Summary, or sometimes it may say Details. Tap on that tab to continue. Inside the Summary tab, you will find important information about your account. Scroll carefully until you see the option for direct deposit information. This section usually includes a form that acts like a void check. You can view this form directly on your screen. If you need a copy, there will be an option to download it. Tap the download button and save it to your device. You can then share it or print it if needed. This is the easiest way to access your void check information using the TD app. Thanks for watching.